We'll now proceed ahead with the next session, comprehensive insurance for MSMEs. For that, I would like to request Mr. K. Ramesh, General Manager, New India Assurance Co. Limited, to be present on the dais, please.
Very good morning to all of you, distinguished audiences, and my Bombay Chamber of Commerce President, Madam Mehta, and for everyone. Thank you very much for giving this an opportunity to share the stage on behalf of my company, New India Assurance, which is a 106-year-old company. And we have a presence of 1,600 offices spread all over India with 11,000 manpower. And in fact, the presentation has been made. Looking into that, without going to the presentation, I just want to connect with you. We have 3 policies for the MSME sector. Basically, we take into account for MSME sector up to 50 crores as a sum insured. There is one policy up to 5 crores, between 5 to 50 crores. Anything which exceeds 50 crores will be issuing a separate policy. A lot of you would have come across MSME policies. In fact, among all the companies which are in vogue as on date, New India has issued close to 316,000 policies. The journey goes on. And when the journey goes on, a lot of pitfalls which are coming across in this, we have been improving day in, day out. Initially, we have launched Udayam Bima Sathi policy, which is an older version one, wherein which had got 10 compulsory sections, which consist of fire insurance policy, burglary, which include theft and loss of profit and personal accident, workman compensation, and money insurance, fidelity insurance, public liability, machinery breakdown, terrorism. Having said that, this 10 sections has been made mandatory when this policy was launched in the year 2020. Then we get a lot of feedback from the banking sector who channel partner with the MSME and all. Just now we have devised a policy which is likely to be launched in a few weeks' time. We made it barring the section 1. We kept it for the option of the insured to choose anything which he wants. So the basic criteria is up to 50 crores. Manufacturing, trading, industrial activity, this policy is being issued. Having said that, in case if you make the insured to take all the 10 sections, he is losing it. For example, if you want to cover only the building, if you want to cover the raw materials, like that, we decided in such a way that the fire has got various perils due to which anything happens, we will be indemnifying it. In addition to that, in many places, they may not have a workforce, only 1 or 2 will be running the office. Accordingly, we have given it as an option, they can choose it. In fact, I heard in the morning the first lecture given by Union Bank of India, with whom we are likely to have a channel partner. And having said that, they will be issuing the loan. Next comes credit guarantee, which among all the PSUs, only New India is issuing it. The second part also we are taking care. Third part is, having said that, it is to be protected adequately. For that only this policy has been launched. My personal request to our channel partner is that, and for also MSME also, because many a time, if you see the settlement ratio of New India is plus 98+%. Only 2% the rejection rate, which is the highest among the PSUs and private also put together. This 2% also, why it creates a hassle if you come across many a time what they wanted to cover, it may not be finding from the proposal form. Nowadays, having seen the meeting that everything is channelized through predominantly the bankers. Bankers insist for the policy. So if the bank take care of the MSME, because you know what for you are given the loan, and accordingly if you step into the shoes of the MSME, it will be very easy for us in the event of a claim, even this 2% rejection rate also will be taken care. So we channelize on that to set an example also. In fact, this Air India crash which has occurred, Tata AG is the lead insurer. New India has got 32% of share. In fact, our worthy CMD has instructed, we are ready to make a cash call once the leader says. Having said that, it is not only the passenger and all got damaged, in and around out of areas got damaged. 2 days before waiving all the requirements, 7 of the personal accident policies were settled within hours of 6 hours. We are doing that way. So having said that, if what you want to cover, if it is being identified, this 2% also will be taken care of it. Having said that, this policy has got a 15% discount for the MSME sector. And in addition to that, the bank, if they are channelizing, they get a reward of 15% also. And for women folk, if the sum insured is up to 5 crores, we give 20% discount also. All these synapses, everything in detail, we have prepared it. I don't want to go based on the synapses. The point is whether we take into account the MSME is fully covered in the event of a claim. Getting a loan is easy, getting a credit is easy. The third part comes indemnifying it. For that, we are always there. In fact, I added a branch, division, and region, and I have come up to the GM level, having seen the difficulty of the people. Even one claim, if it is not settled, a genuine claim, how they will be feeling it, that I know it. So definitely, we will try to improve upon in all aspects of it. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you all. I have been told to restrict within 10 minutes. In fact, I have finished it well ahead. Thank you.
Yeah. I would like to request Director General Shri Sandeep Khosla, Bombay Chamber, to please present memento to our distinguished speaker, Mr. R. Ramesh, General Manager, New India Assurance. Thank you, sir.